Why would I need a public claims adjuster? Picture yourself like this. You're deciding that you're gonna go climb the Swiss Alps. You know it's a mountain, you know where it is. Your GPS tells you exactly how to get to the top. Would you do that yourself? The answer is probably no. You would take a professional with you. Well, the insurance company has professionals on their side. Their professionals work for them. Their goal is to pay out the claim fairly, but the word fairly is a little flexible because is it fair to you or is it fair to them? My name is Robert Mack and I am a public claims adjuster. That means the only fair that I'm concerned about is fair to you, the public. My job is to get you the maximum amount of money out of each claim that is allowed by the policy. If you have any questions about that, please give me a call at the number below or send me an email.